Hi guys. So I showed you the journey to Colombo, back to Colombo. I want to show you our little accommodation, our little apartments. So this is in here, which is pretty cool already. See, we actually just arrived, and I figured, let's make that video as an addition. Is it closed? Yes. Right away, not waiting too long. So that is it. It's a two-bed house. There's another two-bed house where all the hosts' parents live. So this is nice because we have a little garden here, which we can also use, which is green and it's nice, and there's flowers and some nice touches. We can hang up things here, and yeah, I don't know how old this house is actually. Apparently not that old. Yeah. The arches, pretty cool looking. See, we have a little possibility to sit outside here. I like it. I like the brick stones here. And I'll tell you something to that door after, because I already broke something. Didn't really break anything though, but you know what I mean. I don't know what this is for. Pretty cool, huh? What do you say? What do you think, huh? See, nice flowers here. A nice little touch, I like it. There's our shoes, travel shoes. Like I said, this is how you go into the kitchen, but you can also go through here. Anyway, so let's go in. Alrighty, so that's a big room already, right? So that's like the living hall, or the hall, right? I'm never sure how to call it. And I tell you, it is cold in here, because they cranked up the AC. We have, hey baby. They cranked up the AC before we came. They have an AC in each room, see, 17 degrees, cold enough. Yeah, this is our stuff. We have not unpacked. We basically just arrived here, half an hour ago. So I'm already uploading, because here, the good thing about this apartment is not only the AC in each room, which is great, but they have an unlimited 100 Mbps internet connection. That is like, whoa, so happy. Anyway, so this is our dining table, breakfast table, whatever. That's where we eat. We have a couple of sofas, like retro-looking sofas. This is like an old recamière. It's another one. Then we have a TV, satellite TV, which seems pretty cool, and seem to have lots of channels. Fridge right here. Of course, not much in there yet. A few coconuts. Oh yeah, we got a coconut. A few coconuts. We got a king coconut from our host. The first aid box actually has a first aid box. Pretty cool, huh? Got some painkillers, some stuff, and some little stuff. It's okay. This vase will probably have to go because of Dylan. Might push it over, and then I don't want to, go and clean it up and buy a new one, right? Anyway, so that's the kitchen here. We've got a microwave, we've got a water boiler, we've got a toast, we've got a rice cooker, we've got a sword. We got all kinds of cutlery, tables. I'm not talking plates, glasses, all kinds of things. We even have one of these things, in case. This is coffee tea, gigantic spoons. Yeah, there's a cooker. Whatever. Induction cooker. There is some water. He said, he's got clean water for us. I said, don't worry, we've been drinking tap water for almost 2 months, or for a month and a half, so no problem. So don't worry, you can. Then we've got another plan here. And then there's I didn't even see this properly. We've got a few brooms. We've got something to clean here. We've got a fire extinguisher. All right, I like it, see this, we drank these king coconuts. Anyway, let's go. You can from both sides, you can enter this washroom, whatever. We've got a good, nice shower. I'm not sure if that's a noodle head or not. But hopefully it works well. It's got hot water. We got a washing machine, which works fine. Toilet, of course. We got a hose. Someone asked me how we... Let's not talk about that, right? So we got a mirror. Hello, hello. Alrighty. It's just been a hot day. It's been a hot journey, so I'm quite happy. That is so cold in here. Anyway, so there's the bedroom where we'll all sleep because we've got 2 king-size beds, and it looks like my wife and my kids are sleeping already, or we'll go to bed very soon. But no, we're just relaxing, and the kids have the 1 hour screen time a day, right, Olive? It's 1 hour, right? Is it 1 hour? You want to say hello?
Hello.
You want to say hello? All right. See, she did not say anything about the 1 hour, right? Anyway, see, and this is the curtains. I wanted to open, but it doesn't open. It's fixed. So I broke. I pulled it out. Unfortunately, I already wrote the guy. I think he wrote back. I would. Stupid me, right? But I usually open the curtains. So you can look into the garden. See, that's the other AC. There's also a fan in each room, by the way. Anyway, big, large cupboards, to use. See, all empty. So we can use the cupboards. I mean, this is actually, it's a place where I would stay longer. I could stay here a month, no problem. But we're here for a week, and then we'll continue the journey. But we just might come back into this apartment before we leave. We'll always have like a week before we leave at the capital. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. There's mosquito thingy. Oh yeah, this is what I pulled out from the wall. Stupid me. Anyway, so this is the second bed. Hey, you want to say hello, Vincent?
Hello.
To the subscribers. What are you playing? What is that? Sonic the Hedgehog? Is it?
Yes.
Yes, wow. Alright, so we got an iron board, we got an iron, we got the backside window, which is not like the super cutest one, but it's alright. Oh yeah, and here you can go also to the bathroom, take a shower, or do laundry if you want. We have nice, cool floors, that is a thing that I do not stress and do not, leave out, and I should show you like the details of like these wooden beds, they're pretty cool, and the floor is pretty cool. It's like it looks like an old 1920 fire station here, right? Anyway, but I do like this. Guys, you want to say goodbye? Bye bye.
Bye bye.
All right, guys. Yeah, that's the house tour. It's not a big house, but I like it. I'm glad I'm here. Yeah, and that's that. We'll be showing you a little bit. Actually tomorrow we have to go to the Swiss embassy. My son Vincent needs a new passport, so we'll do that here. That's why we came back, because it'll take a few weeks to receive it, and then we still have like 6 weeks in the country, so we'll here a week, and then we'll go a month around, or maybe a few days, or maybe a week at the end. We'll stay here as well again before we leave back to Malaysia, in case you wonder. But yeah, I guess that's that. I will leave you now with this. Notice one more thing which you may find very strange, but there is actually a squirrel living in the apartment. I wonder if the host knows this. And the squirrel is actually here. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Never had that before. I mean, they must have noticed that. See, that's the squirrel. It's inside. It's inside the house. At first I thought it was a fucking rat. But hey, mister. It's okay, you can stay with us, we don't mind. But it is very odd. Hey. Okay. I'll leave you. You can calm down. You can stay here with us. Although it is a bit odd that they have a squirrel. Is that nest? In the house. Maybe they don't know that. I mean, this is not constantly booked out, but this is it's kind of like a popular Airbnb because it is really cool. But yeah, this is. I'm not sure if I should tell them because they'll. I'm afraid that they'll kill it or whatnot. Then again, I'm not sure if this is going to work out. That thing is not going to eat our stuff, right? Now they only eat nuts and stuff. Hey, dude, are you afraid? Don't be afraid. I'm your friend. We can be friends, huh? How about that? We can be friends. I'm your first Swiss friend, and you're my first squirrel friend. Isn't that amazing? And but I've always liked your kind. You've always been kind of like on my mind. All right, so I just wanted to mention that because it is odd stories or any stories that you tell on a vlog, right? Because people want to hear stories that take them out of their, 8 to 5 life. Anyway, guys, take good care. Bye-bye.